Hi everyone, today we are doing basic exercise for Scratch, or you can say here this is basic for Scratch. Okay, so let me start with the right with here in the Google Chrome Scratch. Then click with your keyboards, enter, and then you will get it this one. The first website is Scratch. So you need to open it first, this one. After that, you can see here this is the interface of this Scratch. You can see here on the left side there are some buttons: motion, looks, sound, events, control, and so on. And when you click any button, there are some codes in written with the text. Okay, for example, move, turn, go to random position, go to X position or Y position. Glide means is going up and down in the X and Y direction. Okay, point in direction. Looks, say what do you want to say. Okay, in your story, for example, if you're a sprite, what is a sprite? A sprite is your character, like that you can see here. Right now I have a cat in my sprite 1. If you want other sprites, so you can get it from this option, choose a sprite. For example, if I will delete it this one and I need it another one, so you can click here, and there are so many options for this. Choose a sprite like all, animals, people, fantasy, dance, and so on. So you can choose it from here. What do you want? There are so many. Okay, so I will take it this cat. Okay, this is my current sprite right now, and there are some position like sprite cat. This is X direction, this is Y direction. Right now my cat is in this point, -63, 21 in the Y direction. Okay, and what do you want to show? If you don't want to show your sprite, you can close it or open it. So you can see here there are some eyes. This one is open eyes and this one is block eye. So it depends on you. If you want to show your sprite, so you can click here, otherwise close your sprite. Okay, size, this is your current sprite size. Okay, if you want to increase it, you can increase it from here. Click here and then write your size. Okay, what do you want? And direction, which direction do you want? In 90-degree. If you want to lie down with your sprite, so you can write it there. Okay, -180 something else. Okay, now one more thing. If you want to get any background for your sprite, for example, if you want to create any story or animation, you need a background for that. So you can get it from here. There are some options, you can get it from here. Okay, there are some buttons, fantasy, music, as you like. You can click it and then you will get it the many backgrounds here. Okay, so right now I click all. So you can see here there are so many sprite background, sorry. Okay, so you can click as you like. I like this one, blue sky, so I click here. So I got it this background for my story. Okay, now click your sprite, and what do you want? I need to put here because it's look like it's stepping here. Okay, so now if I will click here on motion, and I need to move my sprite little bit here, this side. Okay, so I will take this step. If I will click on this move, click with your mouse, so it will stepping forward direction. Okay, look at that. Now take it turn. If you want to take it turn or something else, you can choose it from here. Okay, if you want to jump your sprite, so you can take it glide. Okay, so I will take it this glide and one more glide, because I want to show you something here, so I will show you. Okay, just a minute. Why I'm taking glide? Because if I will put the value of my sprite here, so it will going up and down for jumping. So you need to put here, if I'll put it here 0 value for my sprite, 0, and here I'll put it something like 50. Okay, so I need to put down my sprite again, so I'll put it here 0 and here -50, because I need to get it my sprite on same position after that. Okay, so I will take it here -50. Now one more thing, if I will click here looks, So if you want to say something with your sprite, so you can choose it from here. For example, if I will write it here, hello, I want here hello. This sprite wants to talk with some other sprite, so you can choose it from here. There are so many buttons, so many codings are there. Okay, you can see here, say hellos, think hums, and so on. Okay, now if you want to take any sprite sound, for example meow, okay, so you can choose it from here. And this is events. Okay, for example, if you want to start your story, so how you will start, so you need to get it these buttons. Okay, for example, when clicked this flags, okay, this is flag. When space key pressed, so then it will work. Okay, there are so many buttons, you can choose it from here. Now control option, why I will take it control option? If I will choose it this coding with together, so it will work together. Okay, so but I need some time to move other step, so that's why I need it wait. Okay, look at that, and then I will put it this side. Okay, now it's look good. Now I need my sprite do it again and again, so I will take it repeat forever. Okay, there are some buttons, so what should I do? I will take it this one. Okay, I'll put it here, then I will take it this one. I want my sprite doing these things again and again. Okay, so now I'll take it event sign and put it there. Now if I will click here, you can see here my sprite is working with these codes. Okay, look at that. So this is our basic class. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, it repeated 10 times for these things. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Goodbye, see you later, have a nice day.